Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here making a video within a video site now. But I have a Stream Deck here, and I'm gonna show you how to switch audio devices. So let's say you listen to your music on your headphones, but also you have a amazing Katana X Blaster sound system with Leapfrog here. You want to switch between the headset and you want everyone to listen to the Metro Boomin want some more, right? Okay, well, I'm going to show you an application here. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit Music Lab. Well, this is mine, of course, and then you're going to switch to, well, I got to do the all sources here actually, and we're going to hit play. Okay, let me go to my music here real quick. Just up this. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so we have this. Let's pause that real quick. So what we have going on here is I'm going to press play. I'm going to switch this. Okay, so it's on the headset now. It's on Metro Boomin on the headset. Now I'm going to switch it back to the sound system. So switch, sound system, headset. So now you could do it with either one here. I'm going to show you on the computer how you can get that going here and switch between the two. So for your set purposes here. So we have made it back to the spaceship here. So I'm going to drop this link in the description. This is the audio switcher app. And if you don't know how to install widgets onto your Stream Deck, please check out my other video, which is going to be the other description under the description as well in the comment section. All right. And then make sure you download it and then you open up the Stream Deck here. All right. And then we are here. And then you're going to have it open up here on the right side. We're going to boot this down here. Wait, move it down. What is it? Okay, let's open it up big then. Okay, so on the bottom right here, it should say toggle audio and set audio devices. You're gonna drag toggle audio over here to the square, and then you're going to have this set here. Okay, I named it headset because that's the best for me. You know, it has audio output, so you're going to be able to do your inputs and your outputs, okay? So like me, for example, since I'm doing output because I'm outputting music, it's all going to come from speakers. So the first primary is going to be the headset here. It's going to be on the headset there, right? Okay. We're going to pause the music there. And then it's going to go from headset, then it's going to go to speaker. You know what I'm saying? So then it's going to switch to speaker. So like I showed you in the beginning of the video. So when you press it, it's going to go between the two. And that's how you set up the audio device switch on your Stream Deck. Yep. So if there's any other things you want to know about this, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video.